today I'm going to be showing you how to turn on accessibility access. So you're going to go to accessibility. You're going to go down to the bottom. You're going to see so you're going to see guide access. You're going to click on that. You're going to go ahead and click here, set guide access passcode. Click on that. I'm going to go ahead and set it as 00000, and then I'm going to re-enter it. And then I'm going to back out of that, go down to access, whatever that's called. So you're going to go down to the bottom. You're going to also click here, change. You're going to go ahead and enter your new password, which I'm going to set as 000. If you want to put an Apple account, you would set recovery Apple account. But if you don't, just hit not now. I'm going to go ahead and hit not now. I'm going to exit. And then you can choose allow Siri, show notification badges, show battery level on home screen, show time on lock screen, allow volume buttons, wallpaper. You can choose how they're set up. I have them in rows. You can you can go here, manage them. You can add all these apps. So every app you have on your iPad, 11 Pro Max or something, like your Chromebook or anything, you can just set that stuff up. You can hit start guide. You're going to hit start guide access. You're going to go ahead and enter your passcode. And then it will let you in. See? So yeah, it will let you in after you enter your passcode that you set. And you want to go ahead and set that on both of these. You want to set it here, and you want to set it in the guide access. So that you just double check that you did it. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just make sure to smash that subscribe button for more of these. I know I haven't been posting these, but I will start posting these. So yeah, thank you so much.